Every year, lakhs of aspirants fill out the UPSC form, but only a very small fraction are able to successfully crack the examination. Is it because most aspirants don't study seriously? Not at all. They do study, but not always with the right guidance or in the right direction. That is why majority aspirants fail, sometimes in prelims, sometimes in mains, and sometimes at the interview stage. So the real question is, who ensures that your preparation happens with the right guidance and in the right direction? The answer is a right mentor. A right mentor provides proper guidance, sets the right direction for your preparation, and significantly increases your chances of success in the UPSC examination. So are you too struggling like the most aspirants to find the right mentor? If yes, then SRIRAM's IAS has brought the perfect solution for you. You can now talk to our mentors completely free of cost and get all your preparation related doubts clarified. You can see the QR scanner on your screen. Just scan it and book your seat for a free one-to-one mentorship session.